In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create or join a faction here on Marvel Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, from the top of the main menu for Marvel Rivals, simply go ahead and select Tournament, just like so. Keep in mind you may need to play a few matches before the Tournament tab actually does unlock for you. But if you're trying to create your own faction, simply select Create Your Own Faction, or you can join a faction as well, and we'll get to that in just a sec. But when you're creating your own faction, you're going to want to make sure that you enter in a name, an abbreviation, a rank requirement, a primary language, an admission rule, and of course a platform preference, whether it's PC or console. Just review those settings and select Create Faction. And that is it. Your faction will be live and ready for players to join. To join a faction, though, simply hit Faction. And then from here, you can go ahead and hit Faction again. And then just search for whatever you'd like. Once again, the Create Faction section's in this exact same section. But browse all of these available factions and you can see their language, server region, their rank requirements, roles, and member count. Just select one that you want to join. Then hit Apply to Join down in the very bottom. Some will require approval, so just keep that in mind. You can also select the little filter tab up at the very top to kind of change things a little bit. Just make sure you confirm it down at the bottom after doing so. And it really is as simple as that. That is how you can create or join a faction here in Marvel Rivals. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.